Hi guys, my name is Miss Mary and I'm here to explain the quarter note, a quarter rest, and basic time signature, so 4/4. So a quarter note in music looks like this, okay? It receives one beat. So this is called a quarter note. So if I were to play this on the piano, I would play it and hold it for one, for a beat of one. One. So quarter note. So if I had 4 quarter notes in a row, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is a quarter note. Receives one count. The next thing I'm going to show you is a quarter rest. Basically, it looks like a big squiggle. Okay, a quarter rest is one beat of silence. So it literally means to rest. You don't play anything. So if I was to play a quarter note and then a quarter rest, it would be quarter, rest. Pretty simple. You just don't play for one beat. Now, the next thing I have to explain to you before we can actually do the worksheet together is measures. So measures are the little dividing boxes in music. So this would be measure 1, and you would have notes or rests written in here. Measure 2, measure 3. So it divides the music into mini sections. At the end of a section, you would get a double bar line indicating the end of something or to stop. So your notes would lie in these measures, your notes and your rests. So time signature has to come into play here. Kind of looks like a fraction. We're going to talk about the top number because that's the most important number in the beginning. So when this number says 4, it means each measure gets 4 counts. It has to add up mathematically to 4. So here in the first measure, you have 4 quarter notes. So you would count this 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second measure, you have a quarter note, a quarter rest, a quarter note, and a quarter rest. So this also adds up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I was to play this, for now I'm going to just play it on our middle C key, it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how I did not play on the rest. It's just one beat of silence. Listen to it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest, rest. So 4, 4. Each measure adds up to 4. The bottom number may not be quite so clear at the moment. This represents what type of note is the beat in each measure. Okay, I'll explain more in my next video on the bottom number of time signature. Now, let's go to our worksheet. So where it says number 1, clap or tap the rhythm in the exercise below. Let's clap it first, and then I'll actually play it on middle C for you. Okay, so let's clap this first exercise. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest, rest. Next measure, 1, 2, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. Let's do it together. And this time I'll count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I open my hands on the rest just so I don't clap it. So now let's try playing that on a key. So I'm going to play middle C again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go to exercise number 2. It says to fill in the blank with missing quarter notes in the exercise below. So every place you see a blank, you're going to want to fill up the measure mathematically to 4 with a quarter note. So the first measure, the first blank spot would be a quarter note because you have already 3 quarter notes. So it has to add up to 4 counts. The next measure, same thing, right? You would put in the third space another quarter note. The third measure, also a quarter note. And the last measure, the last beat or the last space of that measure would also be a quarter note. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow along for more instruction. We'll have some more fun worksheets for you guys in the future. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.